This is Samsung Galaxy F14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can block all spam and robocalls on this device. So to start, launch the default phone dialer app, then at the top right corner of your display tap at these three vertical dots, then open Settings. At the settings, make sure to enable this toggle in front of a caller ID and spam protection. Agree for the terms and conditions and privacy policy, whatever is that. Then tap at the caller ID and spam protection section itself, and in here you can even further strengthen the spam filter by turning on the switch, and then decide whether you would like to block only high-risk scam calls or all suspected spam and scam calls, in general. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.